Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how to use CJ Dropshipping with Shopify, and it will be a step by step video for you guys. And the main thing is it is a perfect for beginner friendly. So if you are studying a dropshipping store in 2025 and want free level suppliers, fast shipping and easy order fulfillment, CJ Dropshipping is a great alternative to AliExpress. So grab a notepad, hit the like button, and let's dive into it. So first of all, we are going to talk about what actually is CJ Dropshipping. So let's search it here, and here you will get to see the CJ Dropshipping. So let's give a free, really quick description. So CJ Dropshipping is a free platform that connects Shopify store owners with products you can sell. They handle sourcing, warehousing, quality check, packaging, and shipping, which means you can focus on marketing and sales. They also have US and EU warehouses. Shipping can be faster than typical AliExpress suppliers. So now let's talk about create an CJ account. Alright, let's set it up. You just need to go to the CJ Dropshipping and create a free account. Once you sign up, log into your CJ Drops dashboard. Here you will see the main menu. You will get my CJ sourcing, product orders, and warehouse. Next, we need to connect your Shopify store. There's another way we have. You just need to go to the Shopify, and as you can see, we already have a Shopify account. That's why I click to the login. Once I click over here, I will come over that place, and you can actually see that we are using the trial version. So from that place, I will click to the app. So once I click over here, from that place I will click on Shopify app store. Here I can easily find out Shopify app for my users. So here just click me, remind me next time. It will take a couple of minutes. So again, let's go to the Shopify app store, and here actually we will get to see that one. So here I'll search CJ Dropshipping, and here you can see this is the CJ Dropshipping. From that place I am going to install this one, and it will take a couple of minutes to install it. So we just need to be patient here. Once it's done, then here we will get to install this one. So here just click again, and then you will able to see connect your CJ Dropshipping to your account. So you just need to be log in or register. If you have an account, then you just need to go over here and log in, but I don't have any yet. That's why I will click on register here, and from that place I will copy my Gmail account address. So I will provide that address in that place. So I will copy this one, and then I will paste it here. Then you just need to provide your password. The email address is registered. You have an account. So I already have an account, so I will just click to the login. Once I click over here, from that place I will just click this Google, and then I will choose my account, and then it will take a couple of minutes, and it will landed me onto the CJ Dropshipping account. So here you can see how easy the process was. So you just need to connect to it your Shopify store. To connect CJ to Shopify, you just need to click on my CJ and then authorize. So again, let's try to do it the same things here. Let's go over that place, and then I just need to come over that place, and let's go to the setting, and here I will find out the apps and sales channel. In that place I will click on CJ Dropshipping and just click on open app. Once I click over here, then here actually you will get the options to connect it with your Shopify. I will click on authorize, just click on confirm, and so once it's done, once they will authorize me, they will give me the access of my CJ. So here we just need to be keep patient. So here you can see it already been done, and we are authorizing successful. CJ will help you make dropshipping business much easier. That is so much easy. CJ will ask for permission to access your Shopify store. This is so they can automatically sync product and orders. Once it's connected, you will see your store listed under authorized store. Now you are ready to import products. Now you just need to find and import products. So let's find some products to sell. You just need to click on products. So here you can see they already provided what happened will be next. You can see the quick start list CJ products to your stores. Then we have post sourcing request and connect products, automatically fulfill orders, many things. So you just need to go on here, global product option, just click this one, and you will redirect to the shop here. So here from that just need to select any of product you want. So let's say we are going to select this one, just click this one, and click on product and browse the categories or use the search bar. If you have a niche in mind, then like pet accessories or fitness gear, I search that one, the knife. Or when you find a product you like, click list or connect. So we have the option connect. You can click this one or you can click the list. So here you can see we just come over that place, and here you can see we just need to select our address. So this is our website, select store, this one is specific sync. You just need to click on sync and just click confirm. Once it sync successfully, now you can easily connect this one. Please pin the product you want to sync, so you just need to be pin the product here. So let's pin this one, come over that place again. Whenever you click over here, you just need to be pin it. Then here you just need to be click on search, and you can see this is the SKU. You just need to be go over here and search it. Connection, your product might be connected already. Please check the connection list. So let's check it, and here you can see under this shop product, you just need to select your store and then search, and here you will able to see that your product is added or not. Before you list, you can edit product details like title, description, price and image. Make sure they match your branding, and then click list it now, and it's live listed right now. So here we don't have any yet, that is the problem. So from that place again just click to that list, and here you can edit all the things, title and I already mentioned. Just click on list now. Please select the category. Okay, let's select this one, and you can add vendor also. You can choose the product type. If not, then you can just click on select category. Okay, then I will click over here, enter tag knife, and it already been added. And now if I click on here this category, okay, there is a problem, maybe that is the thing we are getting. Just click to the sync and it will be added in here. Variant, product type will be knife. Here add knife, vendor will be the vendor, it is important, and just click list it now. So here please enter your store price. So I just need to add the price. Variant price will be where we can add the variant price. We can add price change, give a price that will be 125, and just click on OK. Store price is lower than CJ price, please confirm, list it now. And here you can see it already been done, listing in process. So find more products or just click to the all listing, and now here you can see how orders really actually work. Here you can see this is the pending, the status is pending. So we just need to be wait here to start the complete. So let's wait a bit. Once it's done, you can see store name, you can see the price I set, you can see shipping method, and this is the status. So let's wait a bit and let's go and let's check our product page also. And here you can see that it already be imported here. So this is the easiest way to import any product from CJ Dropshipping. So now let's talk about how orders actually work. So what happens when someone buys from you? When a customer places an order in your Shopify store, it automatically appears in your CJ account under orders. You just need to check the order details, then pay CJ for the product cost plus shipping. CJ will pick the product with natural packaging, no weird labels, and ship it directly to your customer. You will get tracking numbers and your customer will get updates. CJ even handles returns and reshipping if there is an issue with the product. Now let's talk about the sourcing and custom brand. And that's it for today. Now you know exactly how to use CJ Dropshipping with Shopify step by step. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to subscribe our channel.